Good morning, dear students. Myself Shashidhar. So, dear students, in your previous class, you studied the concept of variable, constant, equation, expression, and also LHS is equal to RHS. The meaning of LHS is equal to RHS. So, first one is variable. You studied in that one. Variables are indicated by small letter alphabet that may be A, B, C, X, Y, Z. That's your choice. That's all. Those are all called variables. And also the value of variable does not remain same. That means that must be vary. These are both. And constant means the value does not changes. Yes. And expression means that contains one variable and constant with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then division. Maybe addition, maybe subtraction, maybe multiplication, maybe division, and then equation. So the given expression is called as equation. When means if there is an equal sign. There is equal sign. Along with that, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ LHS is equal to RHS. That means left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. So these are the things we studied in our previous class, and also we solved examples of exercise 4.1. In that one, first one, complete the last column of the table by substituting the value of given variables. So next we shall move on to the second one, that is, now we shall move on to the second one, that is in simple equation class second. So in the second problem they given that check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. That means we have to check the value what they given in bracket, that is a solution to the given equation or not. Sir, what is the meaning of this second one, sir? They given on heading alva. What is the meaning of this one? Enilla, that's very simple. So we have to check the equation by substituting the values. Bracket alone value kotirtare. Yeah, value variable value. We have to substitute that one in the given equation. If LHS left hand side is equal to right hand side, if LHS is equal to RHS, then the given value is a solution to the given equation. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, so the given value is the solution to the given equation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಮೂವ್. So in this one I will take first one as example. So observe this. Yes, what are they given? First example, n plus 5 is equal to 19. Bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ the variable n is equal to 1. They given n plus 5 is equal to 90, n is equal to 1. This is called equation. N plus 5 is equal to 19 called as equation. Why, sir? Because this contains equal equality sign. Okay. So next is we have to check the given value is a solution for this one or not. So they given the here the variable is n, small letter n alpha, and these two are constants. This is addition. So n plus 5 is equal to 19. Alva, yes. The value of n is equal to 1. Value of n is equal to 1. Next step. Next step is very simple. We have to substitute the value of n. That is n is equal to 1 means in the place of n we put the value 1. That is 1 plus 5 is equal to 19. Here 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is equal to 19. Is it possible? Yeah. For example, I will give 6 rupees to you and I will tell this is 19 rupees. Are you agree? No. So, therefore, here left hand side is not equal to right hand side. See here. 6 is not equal to 19. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So, the given value is not a solution. What the given value? N is equal to 1. So, n is equal to 1 is not a solution for the given equation. Yes? Yes. The value given in the bracket is not a solution. Solution agutta? Agodilla. Okay? One more problem. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. The value of variable n is equal to 1. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So 6 is equal to 9. But 6 is not equal to 19. Therefore the value given in the bracket is not a solution because LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay. One more problem. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ they given that 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Alva? Yes. In this one the variable is n. Variable is n and constants are 7, 5 and 19. 7 into n, 7n. And one variable and one constant. These two are made by multiplication. By multiplying variable and constant we get 7 into n, 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. So here they given in the bracket, they given the value of n that is equal to 2. That means we have to substitute the value of n is equal to 2 in the given equation. So I will substitute like this 7 into 2 because they given 7n. See here 7n. 7 n plus 2 brother this become 72. So it's wrong. Idu wrong agbidutte 72 alla. 7n means 7 into 2. 7 into n 7n. 7 into 2 hakire not a 72. 72 into 2 means 14. So n is equal to 2. We should substitute 7 into n value 2 plus 5 is equal to 19. Next 7 into 2 means 7 2s are 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. 14 plus 5 is 19. That is equal to, in the RHS side they already given that is 19. Yes. Therefore here left hand side value is equal to right hand side. Yavaga the value given in the bracket ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, what is the given? That is n is equal to 2. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ LHS is equal to RHS. Dear students, so many students are just by turning the page and you are seeing the last page and what they given the answer you writing or you written direct ಆಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡು ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. So the given somewhat different will be there, dear students. That is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 and p is equal to minus 4. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, p is equal to minus 4. So here they given the variable value. Here variable is p, alva. So variable value is minus 4. Yes, yes. Variable value is minus 4. So 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So we have to substitute the value of variable. The value of variable is minus 4. So substitute more. So here minus 4 means that is the negative value. You already learned in the first chapter, that is integer chapter. Alva? Odidiralva? The difference between minus 4 and plus 4. I think that you are all understood in that chapter. Okay, clear. 4 into minus 4. These friends, here minus will be there. That's why I put the bracket for that one, because the value of minus 4 means that changes the difference between minus 4 and plus 4. Yes, that is 4 into minus 4. So here p value is minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 13. Next, distance here plus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ if there is no sign means there will be a plus sign. Okay, for this one plus 4 into this one minus 4 is equal to plus into minus 4 4s are 16. That's become minus 16. Minus 16. See, plus into minus 4 4s are 16. Next is minus 3. That is equal to 13. So minus 16 minus 3. If the signs are same during addition and subtraction, we should add. If signs are different, or if signs are different, then we have to subtract those two. How means from bigger number to smaller number. You already learned in the integer chapter. First chapter ಅದು ಓದಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ integer chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ how to subtract and how to add the integer. That means negative values and positive values. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So once again I will not repeat that. So here minus 16 minus 3, that become minus 19. ಅಂದರೆ minus 16 means we already, that is we already lose 16 points. Once again we lose 3 points. Totally how many points we lose in that match means we lose totally 19. That is the indication. Yeah, dear students, in the LHS side minus 19 will be there. In the RHS side 13 will be there. Is these two are equal? No, these two are not equal. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. ಅದಲ್ವಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ therefore so bracket value is not a solution ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ -4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಇಯರ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ LHS is not equal to RHS ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ therefore -4 is not a solution. -4 ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ LHS is equal to RHS ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ -4 is a solution ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋದಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟು ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಎಸ್. Next we shall move on to next question. It's also very important, dear students, because here 0 came. The value of variable they given is 0. So equation is 4p minus 3. Your variable is multiplied by 4. So that is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So here p is equal to 0. In the bracket the given value, variable value p is equal to 0. That means we have to substitute the value of p is equal to 0 in the above equation. So first we should write 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So bracket value they given p is equal to 0. So 4p means 4 into p alva. 4 into p value is 0 minus 3 is equal to 13. 4 into 0, for example 1 into 4, 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4, 5 into 1, 5 ones are 5, 6 into 1, 6 ones are 6. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ 1 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಬಟ್ 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ನ 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 0. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ 0 ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 0. 4 into 0 minus 3 minus 13 p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. here 4 into 0 0 minus 3 is equal to 13. 0 minus 3 means minus 3 is equal to 13. Is it LHS is equal to RHS? No. LHS side value is minus 3 and RHS side value is 13. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore 0 is not a solution for given equation. So 0 is not a solution for given equation because substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ LHS is equal to RHS ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಂತಾ? Not possible ಅಲ್ವಾ. That's why 0 is not a solution for given equation. Next, this is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಸ್. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. ಫಸ್ಟು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ತಪ್ಪಾದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. We should find that value. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ವ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ p is equal to 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಪುಟ್ p is equal to 2. Then 5p means 5 into p alva. Yes, 5 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 17. 10 plus 2 12. 12 is equal to 17. Is it possible? Not possible. So 12 is not equal to 17. Therefore p is equal to 2 is not a solution. Next we shall move on to the next. P is equal to 3 ತಗೋಣ. So they given 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Yes, 5 into the value of p is 3, that's become 5 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 is equal to 17. Therefore 3 is the given, or 3 is the value for the given solution. ಈಗ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.